Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we have a spot breakout hype alert for you. Did you miss the Aster rocket? Don't worry, because the real opportunity might just be starting with THE, now trading on Binance. I'm watching this one closely because Athena Finance is a DEX on the BNB chain, and it's built on a superior model that makes it incredibly efficient. While Aster is already sitting at a massive $3 billion market cap, Thena is at just $64 million. But here's the kicker. Thena is already outperforming Aster in revenue, bringing in around $39 million to Aster's $37 million. That's right. It's outperforming in revenue at a fraction of the valuation, and it's also backed by kingmakers like CZ. Now, looking at the charts, Thena is hovering at its historical support, the exact level where it last pumped 20x post-breakout. The chart is loaded for another big move, and I wouldn't be shocked to see the Aster hype repeat here, with serious money rotating from Aster to Thena. This is a small cap with real fundamentals and explosive technicals, and it could be the next billion-dollar narrative. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.